we, they, he, she, it, me, my, mine, myself, us, our, ourselves, him, his, himself, her, hers, herself, them, their, theirselves, your, yours, yourselves, it, itself, oneself, this, that, these, those, why, who, whom, whose, what, which, where, how, when, how many, how much, how long, how far, of whom, with whom, whatever, whoever, such, such as, nothing, some, something, anyone, anything, any other, all, many other, several, both, few, a few, everyone, somebody, nobody, anybody, none, one, none of them, one, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 1000, lakh, crore, first, second, third, fourth, single, double, triple, fourfold, articles, a, and, the, am, is, are, was, where, have, has, had, do, did, done, can, could, shall, should, will, would, may, might, must, ought to, need, dare, used to, adverbs, today, always, early, then, tomorrow, now, late, before, yesterday, soon, immediately, ago, daily, regularly, generally, never, still, afterward, formerly, since, yet, here, in, down, hence, there, without, out, thence, near, sight, outside, inside, above, by, ahead, nowhere, everywhere, up, backward, once, often, sometimes, never, twice, seldom, firstly, again, frequently, doubly, secondly, occasionally, very, almost, partly, any, quite, heavily, wholly, as much, highly, fully, entirely, little, rather, enough, hardly, surely, indeed, yes, certainly, definitely, by, all, because, therefore, hence, consequently, only, often, to, very, much, prepositions, in, on, upon, from, to, after, with, without, before, over, above, under, behind, off, up, for, off, within, down, across, against, between, till, among, besides, by, at, of, to, From. Around. About. Below. Beyond. Inside. Near. Below. After. During. Into. Towards. Phrases. In front of. On account of. According to. Instead of. Due to. Because of. In search of. In spite of. On behalf of. For the sake of. Conjunctions. And. Both and. Also. Not only but also. As well as. Or. As. Else. But. Still. Yet. So. Hence. Then. If. Unless. That. Even. Even if. For. After. As soon as. While. Hurrah. Ha ha. Hello. Ah. Oh. Alas. Hi. Yeah. Well done. Good heavens. Good God. Oh my God. Bravo.